Assalamu alaikum dear students. Students, today we are doing the revision of, we are starting with the revision of lesson number 5, coal and petroleum. So dear student, as you know that coal and petroleum is a exhaustible natural resource. Means it can come to an end one day by the human activities. Okay, so we need to take care that how we can go for knowing about the coal and petroleum, how it is formed and where do we use it. So dear student, we use various materials for our basic needs. Some of them are found in nature and some have to be made by the human effort. Okay, that is what we know, that ऐसे बहुत सारे सब्सटेंसेस है जो नेचुरली प्रेजेंट है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एयर इज नेचुरली प्रेजेंट ओवर देयर, वाटर इज नेचुरली प्रेजेंट ओवर देयर, बट the materials like coal and petroleum are needed to be formed. We have to form it, but let me tell you that is naturally formed. We are just the source over there, that some of our activities are making us being done over that. But dear student, that is something very important. Natural resource, the resources which are obtained from the nature are called natural resources. So dear students, there are so many natural resources which are existing and we are familiar about those type of the natural resources. Forest is a natural resource, minerals are the natural resource, coal, petroleum, this all are the natural resources. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to talk in detail about only two type of the natural resources, that is coal and petroleum. So dear students, what's coal and petroleum? Coal and petroleum क्या है? Coal and petroleum are sources of energy that are non-renewable. What is the meaning of non-renewable? Renewable. Renewable मतलब कि जो अपने आप फिर से create नहीं होता, that is known as non-renewable. Do you know about the water? When we talk about the water cycle goes on. ठीक है, water cycle, we know that water from the water resources are getting converted into vapors and that water is again coming back in the form of the rain. So this cycle goes on, means the amount of the water is same, it is just going in the continuous cycle. So we can call that as a renewable. But dear students, coal and petroleum are not the renewable. एक बार ख़त्म हो जाने पर वो वापस अपने आप रिजनरेट नहीं होता. They were made in the nature a long time before and they will finish after long time of use. इसको बनने में dear student millions of years are taking place. There is so long time which is taking place and after which we are able to get converted the natural materials into coal and petroleum. So long years ago the compositions have been started to form and dear student, we are using it for a long time, very long time. So dear students, once it is over, you cannot say that within 2-3 days or 4-5 days or within 1 month or 1 year you will be able to produce this material back. It means it takes a very long time. Coal. What is coal? So dear student, if we want to know about the coal, first of all we will be talking about the formation of the coal. So dear students, how the coal formation takes place? You know, 300 million years ago there was a very dense forest, okay, which was flooded, and because of the floods what happened? All the trees were buried inside the soil. Huge forests grew around the 300 million years ago, converted into the earth. The vegetation dies and forms a pet, PAT. The pet is compressed between the sediment layer of the to form a particular layer. further compressed from bituminous and the subbituminous coal. Eventually anthracynous formed. Dear students, these are all the forms of the coal. So dear students, if we talk about the formation of the coal, we can say that there are all the trees which were 300 million years ago, which were buried inside the soil because of the natural calamities like disaster like flood. So all these trees under the high pressure and temperature was able to convert it into coal. So dear students, coal is a combustible sedimentary organic rock formed from the vegetation. Vegetation means plants. In other words, coal is a fossil fuel. Fossil means dead remains. If we get something from the dead remains of the living organism, plants were the living organism, we'll call it as a fossil fuel created from the remains of the plant that lived millions of the years ago. It is considered as a non-renewable source of energy because it takes too much time to form. It is taking a very, very long time. Like as I said that before 300 million years ago. Means dear students, just imagine million years means it is a very long time. Dear students, types of coal. We are having different types of coal. This is not given in your textbook. We are having lignite, subbituminous, bituminous, anthracite and graph. These are all the different types of the coal. If anybody is asking you that what are the types, that you can give the answer, that is lignite, subbituminous, bituminous, anthracite and graph. That is a types of your coal. What is coal made up of? Dear student, what is the main component present in the coal? Coal is mainly composed of carbon. It also consists some metal compound and other impurities. But basically coal में क्या present होता है? Carbon. Carbon is present over there, which is very, very important to understand that there is a presence of the carbon in the coal. We can say that purely coal is made up of carbon, or else you can say that carbon is one of the form of your coal. Okay. जनरल एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ कोल. हम कोल को कहाँ कहाँ पे यूज़ करते हैं? सो डियर स्टूडेंट, कोल को हम जलाते हैं एंड एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस करते हैं उसमें से. सो वी से दैट कोल इज़ यूज एज अ फ्यूल. आपने अगर पुरानी ट्रेन्स देखी हो, पुराने ज़माने में टेलीविज़न सेट पे देखा होगा, द पीपल वेर थ्रोइंग द कोल्स इन वन इंजन. इंजन में कोल डाला जाता है जिसकी वजह से वो एनर्जी डेवलप होती है, हीट होता है एंड it produces the steam, and because of the steam the engine was working and your train was running. Second, we are using it for cooking. We are using it for cooking as a coke, C-O-K-E, coke. It is also used in the production of ethanol. Ethanol is a type of the alcohol. Alcohol बनाने के लिए use किया जाता है. And dear student, a very important compound we are obtaining from the coal is coal tar. What is coal tar? Coal tar is a black thick liquid, okay, and it has number of substances like 200 substances are present in it, okay. That is what we know. Coal is used as a solid fuel to produce electricity. कोल में से हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, तो हम इसे सॉलिड फ्यूल बुलाएंगे. कोल इज यूज एज अ सॉलिड फ्यूल टू प्रोड्यूस हीट थ्रू दी कंबशन. कंबशन के थ्रू भी हम इसको क्या करते हैं? प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. इज इट क्लियर डियर स्टूडेंट्स? Coke. Coke is a solid carbonaceous residue derived from the low sulfur bituminous coal. Bituminous coal में से एक substance obtain होता है my dear student, and that is known as a coke, C-O-K-E, coke. So coke is obtained from the coal. Coke is used as a fuel and is a reducing agent in smelting iron ore in the blast furnace. Dear student, this you will come to know in 10th standard. This is a concept of the 10th standard. 10th standard और 12th standard में पढ़ाया जाता है that how you are using the coke over there as a reducing agent. Okay. It is further used in making steel. हम स्टील जो बनाते हैं डियर स्टूडेंट, स्टील में कोक होता है, दैट इज कार्बन, एंड Fe आयरन. व्हेन दिस टू आर कंबाइनिंग इट इज एबल टू फॉर्म द स्टील. So that is what we know, and it is very important to understand this. Next, coke. The reaction of the coal and natural gas was used for making बुना रबर. डियर स्टूडेंट, ये क्लास 12th में पढ़ाया जाता है. बुना रबर क्या होता है? बुना रबर इज अ टाइप ऑफ द सिंथेटिक रबर prepared by the chemicals. So in that we are using the coal and natural gas. This reaction makes ethanol and it is used to make बुना रबर. बुना रबर के प्रिपरेशन के लिए भी हम इसको यूज़ करते हैं. कोल टार इज़ अ ब्राउन. आपको पता है कोल टार, आपने देखा हो जनरली एट द कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट व्हेन द रोड्स आर कंस्ट्रक्टेड यू आर एबल टू सी द ब्लैक कलर थिक लिक्विड एंड दैट इज नथिंग बट इट इज़ अ कोल टार. Coal tar is a brown or the black liquid of high density which smells like naphthalene and aromatic hydrocarbon. Dear student, do you know what is naphthalene? Naphthalene मैंने बताया था पहले भी. हम जब कपड़े कबर्ड्स में रखते हैं for a long time, we are keeping white color balls. Do you know? And very typical smell is there of the white color balls, and we call that as a naphthalene balls. Okay. Being flammable, coal tar is sometimes used for heating or to fire boilers. तो इसको हम हीटिंग के लिए भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, and as a fire boilers also it is used over there. Mining of a coal. Dear student, यहाँ पे पिक्चर्स दिखाए हुए हैं and you are able to see that how the people go for mining, digging the earth surface and inside they are getting the coal. There are two ways to mine coal, surface mining and underground mining. Surface मतलब ऊपर मिलेगा, underground मतलब आपको बहुत डेप्थ तक जाना पड़ सकता है. See, these are some pictures. Area surface mining. So you will be able to get the coal over here. Then we are having such a kind of the construction. I am showing you the pictures so that you can get the idea that how the things are taking out from the earth crust. So map of the earth showing coal deposits. So dear student, the black color areas which you are able to see on the map, all those places the coal is found in the majority. I hope it is clear to you. So dear students, till here we are doing in this session. Next to this we will carry on the other things in the next slide.